additional tips for choosing the right niche. Let's further break this into 3 tips, with tip 1 being solving a problem. One of the most effective ways to build a successful business is by solving a problem for your customers. When choosing a niche, think about what pain points your target audience may have and how you can offer a solution. Let's consider an example where you can offer a solution in the skincare niche. Many people struggle to find natural, organic skincare products that are affordable. If you can create a product line that addresses this issue, you will attract customers that are looking for solutions to this common issue. Tip number 2, consider profitability. It's not enough to have a passion and an audience. Your niche also needs to be profitable. You don't want to choose a niche where the margins are so slim that it's difficult to make a profit. Now, how can you identify the profitability of a particular product? 1, you need to consider the product cost versus selling price. Look at the cost of manufacturing or sourcing your products and compare it to the selling price. Are the margins large enough to cover your expenses and still make a profit? 2, consider shipping costs. Some products are expensive to ship than others, which can eat into your profits. Make sure you account for shipping when calculating profitability. 3, recurring revenue opportunities. Look for niches where you can generate recurring revenue, such as subscription boxes or consumable products. Now let's move to tip number 3, that is test before you invest. Before fully committing to a particular niche, it's a good idea to test your concept. You can also do this by setting up a simple online store or running a small ad campaign to gauge interest. If you see traction, then you know you are onto something. Now, testing a niche in the eco-friendly product space. You could start by creating a small online store with a few eco-friendly products, such as bamboo, toothbrushes, or reusable shopping bags. Run some social media ads to drive traffic and see if people are interested in what you are offering. In conclusion, choosing the perfect niche is one of the most important decisions you will make when starting an e-commerce business. By identifying your passions, conducting thorough market research, analyzing competitors, and testing your ideas, you can find a niche that's both profitable and enjoyable to work in.